This is the second of an 8-part series on how to buy a robot. Machine shop leaders typically have a process for buying CNC machines and automated bar feeders. That's not the case with robots. This series was created to help machine shop leaders ask the right questions so they get the robot that's right for them. This video covers floor space and positioning. Floor space is expensive. Even if you own the building, floor space is at a premium. There's only so much of it, so every square foot matters. That's why it's so important that machine shop leaders look at robot size and placement as they explore their options. As you look at robots, here are the 5 key questions to ask for robot size and positioning. Number 1, how much valuable space does the robot take up? Number 2, does the robot positioning allow visibility to the CNC machine? Number 3, how much access room do you still have to the CNC door and the work table or the work holding devices? You don't want your machinist to have to contort into an uncomfortable position in order to gain access to the work table. A cranky machinist is never a good idea. Number 4, can you get in and run a test piece or even manually run a job if you needed to? And number 5, what about the safety cages? Are they in the way? Do you have a way to get inside? Safety is always foremost. But do you really need cages? Or are there other ways to make the application safe? As you look at robots, please remember these 5 key points and the questions that go with them. Yes, you'll be redeploying your CNC machine operator into a new role, but your machine operator isn't the only one impacted by the robot. The machinist is too. We're all creatures of habit. Being able to bring in a cart with their tools is a machinist habit just about everywhere. You'll want to limit the impact on your machinist, so positioning matters. To learn more, go to our website. Or you can call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.